Hi viewers, Justin here from Concrete Pumping Equipment NZ Limited. We're pretty excited about bringing in for a customer the very first in Australasia, the AL101 Quick Connect shotcrete nozzle. This is a robotic arm that can attach to most excavators. The beauty with this one here is that it is the first to arrive with a dynamo setup, which basically means that you aren't reliant on either 12 or 24 volt power. It's a nice compact little unit, weighs just over 200 kilos, and it's going to give the customer quite a bit of flexibility as far as applying shotcrete. Really appreciate to hear your guys' thoughts, what you think about this unit, and we're very excited about watching it set up and actually operating. Have a good weekend. Cheers. Bye.